Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this enclosed cat litter. And there is our cat. There's our cat who's going to be using this litter. He's the cat. So it is actually foldable. It was shipped on a smaller box.
What is this?
Let's try to assemble it.
Huh, a brush.
So this is the side, and there's a scooper, and I like the sage green color.
I don't know what this is.
There's another part here. This is the door. As you can see, it's the flap.
Do you mind joining the doors?
This is the cat's door, and this is the base. So as you can see, this base, there's a pulls out so you can clean the litter. So let's assemble it. This side over here. Let me see here. What is this side? Do this side first. So this is like a comb for the cat, so it could shed its fur. So let's put that over here. So there is no instruction, but it's pretty straightforward to put together. That other side. And then the back side. Make sure it snaps. You would have to align the notch here for it to fit. And then just snap it in place. So the front piece is the door. I've attached the front piece, and then
But how are you supposed to open it?
I'm gonna push it down. There's the cleaner thing, and then there is a little notch here to put some bags for the lid. And this is the top piece. Snap it in, and there is another cat hole, which is really cute. This thing, there's a handle here. You could put the, and there's our kitty, and there's our cat.